If you want to create a custom filter in camera on Samsung Galaxy A37, then first of all, we're gonna go to the camera. Now we need to open filters, which we can find here when we tap on these circles that we have in the upper right corner, at least in the photo mode. And then we can go to this plus option in here to then create a filter. Now to create a filter, we need to use an image that is going to be used as a reference. In my case, I'm just going to use this screenshot that I have over here because we can use even that. So whatever you choose, you can use that photo or image as a reference, and then based on that reference, a filter is going to be created. You can also see immediately the difference between the no filter and your custom filter. You can also tap on the image that you have chosen in order to adjust the reference area. So let's say I'm going to choose something like that, and we can tap on done. And once you are ready with the setup, you can just tap on done, and there we go. Now we have our custom filter. And you can also tap on the filter in order to make some further adjustments, like for example, we can adjust the intensity of that filter, the color temperature, the contrast, and saturation. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.